What is going on, YouTube? Here with another cryptocurrency video. The market has been a little bearish lately. Good time to buy some projects, not all. But despite that, I'm here to talk about passive income with crypto today. Here are 3 cryptos that you can earn passive income with just by holding these tokens. Number 1, PundDX. This is my third choice out of these 3. I don't really think it's a great project, even though a bunch of people on the internet do. Obviously hit Binance at 1 cent, and now look at it, 3/10 of a penny. Everyone's selling, but they give you 7% in airdrops of what you hold for free just by staking these tokens. I do believe the price will be higher than that at the end of the year, but who knows? Obviously, it's still super early for these projects. But if you didn't know, 7% a month, PundDX. My next project, EOS. This is my number 1 project. So Binance does support a lot of these airdrops that you get. I'll show you right now. So while the project's being built on the EOS blockchain, you'll get airdrops for holding 100 EOS tokens or more. Binance has recently airdropped 4 tokens, I want to say, 4 projects so far. EOP, ATD, Meet1, what else is there? Eon. Great time to buy EOS right now, in my opinion, as well. All-time high of like $21, $22. $30 prediction by the end of the year. Top 5 crypto. This is one of my favorite projects, honestly. Good way to earn passive income as well, just by getting airdrops. Once the market notes the project is valuable, because right now a lot of the airdrops don't have any value because they're so new, but they will have value someday. Obviously, the EOS mainnet just came out. Number 3, NEO. A lot of people aren't interested in NEO because of the price. They see this and freak out. But I'm just warning you now, the price doesn't matter. If you invest $100 into NEO and it goes to $80, you double your money. So just because even if you can't buy a full NEO, it doesn't even matter. But for passive income, you want to hold as much NEO as possible to earn gas. Gas being another cryptocurrency with real life value. So you hold NEO, you earn gas for free, you sell that gas and buy more NEO. Great passive income. Really good crypto project. Number 11, as you can see here. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any other passive income crypto techniques, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll also be doing a $100 Bitcoin giveaway at 700 subscribers. So